Hi, I'm Kay Boone Woody. I'm the Senior Supply Chain Manager here at Rehlko, Hattiesburg. You might ask, how does supply chain impact the success of Command the Pole line? The answer lies within our 2026 goals and objectives. We want to have the right part in the right place at the right time.
I've been with this facility for 14 years and have been a part of many new product development launches on these assembly lines. Two of our latest introductions were the 888 and the 41 horsepower Command Pro. When I'm part of a team that gets to introduce these lines, we look at all the various critical processes, critical functions that we need to look at on the engine, and we make sure our line control of those processes and inspections in a manner that's going to deliver the best quality to the end customer in a consistent manner.
As a team lead, we do multiple checks through the day. We do hourly check. Within the hour, we're checking for correct parts, we're checking for correct torque sequences. We're making sure the operator is doing exactly what the work instruction says. Especially in our critical area, we check those throughout the day, making sure the operator is doing exactly what the work instruction says.
When I'm looking at one of these new programs, we need to pinpoint automation requirements and needs for the critical stations. We do this by utilizing robotic assembly, tracking work instructions that are specific to a station parameters, and then also parameters for the torques that need to be applied to the assembly process of the engine.
One thing that the operators can check for is a pallet ID label. The pallet label shows the spec number, and it also shows on the screen where they can verify that that's the correct spec there. We have RFID readers through the line, and so when the engine passes the RFID reader, it helps keep track of the data on that engine.
We do preventive controls by equipment and not allowing a process to occur until all the component parts are present within the fixture in order to start the process.
We're moving fast and we're controlled in our stride. We have action plans and we're successful at the execution.
We finish the process by 100% hot engine tests where we record key functional parameters within the engines for future review so we can make our product continuously better and continuously consistent.
We're excited about the Command Flow line and the future of Rehlko Hattiesburg.